Hi guys, मैं हूँ अश्वित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
and welcome to our channel Dancers in Style.
So guess whose birthday it is this time? This one's.
Yay, no points for guessing.
So it's her birthday eve today and we've come here in horse cars.
Yeah, I'm gonna do what she did. So we are here to get a tattoo.
Yes, we're gonna be tattoo buddies then.
Yeah.
और हम यहाँ पर आए हैं सुहासिनी के पार्लर में ही जहाँ पे हमने लास्ट टाइम टैटू कराया था. So I think she liked her work.
Yeah, I think we all liked her work and comments को देख के we could see that you guys also liked it and she like we're comfortable with her. हमने उसका काम देखा भी हुआ है तो हमने सोचा यहीं चलते हैं. And also we'll get to know कि how the pandemic has been affecting the tattoo industry.
Tattoo industry is such a big hit.
So we'll get to know कि what are the complications she's also facing in this.
अच्छा अब now real time में tell us how are you feeling?
I'm not thinking about it because if I think about it I'm gonna like faint.
Oh.
So but I'm just like it's like in my head it's just something that I have to do. Otherwise if I think too much कि इतना permanent है, इतना ये है और ये होगा वो होगा और खर्चा होगा तो then I'll back off. So it's just like I'm not thinking too much about it.
And I think she's getting it at a place where you know where she would have the choice of like showing it or hiding it. So I think that's a very good thing.
Yeah, true.
So let's go.
Let's go and see what she has in store for us.
पता नहीं.
After you.
No, I'm gonna.
I'm scared now. I'm really scared.
You're gonna stay on 1 to 10 how scared are you?
7.
What are you most scared of? Is it the pain, the turbulence, or
Both? Can I say both? I'm scared of both the things. What if it doesn't like leave?
But are you a little bit scared of anything else?
What?
Anything else? Any third thing? That is going on in your life but you're not sharing with us?
What's the third thing?
You tell us.
My mom finding out.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just mention it to her in the passing and I will literally asked for her permission. So she will also find out to like you guys.
But someone else sent it to me like a year later, I think.
No, it's not been a year yet.
Not been a year? No.
Months, January, months year
later then. And then I was so pleasantly surprised and I come such a thing. So it's... What does this mean?
Like sometimes you can't see things clearly with the eyes, so you have to like look through your heart.
Oh, nice. You want this vertically on your back, no?
COEUR.
Okay, this is gonna be a bit of a... And how big do you want this to be?
Not very big, 3 to 4 inches.
How about something like that? Good.
I like this one.
No?
Yeah, I like this one.
You like it? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shortlist 3 fonts and then we're gonna compare and pick one from those because thing is on here there are an unlimited number of fonts and then you get so confused. So we'll do 3 and then we pick from them. Now this one or this one?
Which one?
This one. This one? Perfect. I love this font. I did this a couple of days ago. I'm glad you chose this. Yeah, it looks really nice.
This is the font.
Right. Good choice. I'm just gonna get a printout, huh? Just give me a size estimate like that of what you have. Such beautiful hair. Wow.
Not that beautiful.
I just saw very nice hair. I'll touch it. I don't have any hair, so I really appreciate volume now. Right. So just do. Okay. So small then.
Not very big. Yeah.
Together. Now what happens with tattoos is, like you've got one now, so you know that it's very sharp when it's done, but when it ages on you, when your skin ages, you age, your lines will always spread just a little bit as the ink settles inside skin. So you have to keep like a minimum distance between the words when you're doing letters, because you don't want it all to get jumbled up over the years. Don't think about 1 year from now, think about 5 and 10 and 20 years from now, because it's always going to be there, right? So I'd say this would be a beautiful size for it, but this is the smallest I can do. This one actually. Similar I got to know. So you can choose between these two if you'd like
These two.
Yeah. They'll both
This is
look
a little
nice.
bigger.
Yeah, this is slightly bigger. What I'm saying is this is the most practical choice if you're thinking about how your tattoo will age.
Okay.
It fell again, your earring. Now I'm watching out for you.
Conceal this.
I think it fell. I saw something drop.
Yeah, it did drop.
Okay, when you get up, you'll see it. It's fallen here.
I found it.
Right, so you pick. You want me to give you a budget estimate for
Yeah.
this?
That would be really helpful.
These are Ashmit's 4 choices.
So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll go with 6. Just a second, huh? Hello? Hello? Yeah. That's okay, that's okay. I'll just call you back, okay? I'll just call you back. Cool. Perfect. Okay, bye. I'll just do that. Cool. Yeah, bye. Every time I talk to this girl, she sounds different. It's like I'm talking to different people. So this is 6 inches, right? So that's 5 into 750 plus 2000 for the first. So this one is 5750, and then this one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, there's a difference of half an inch here. So this one was 6.5, but I've just taken 6, and this is a perfect 6, so it's still going to be that much.
Oh, okay.
So I'd say that you go with this size. Also understand that you're tall, so you probably have a long back. So say if I was gonna get it, I have a very small torso, I would go for this size, and I'd keep the lines a little less bold than what this is. But for you, I think this would be, I mean, there's not much of a difference anyway, so you can go with that. You want me to put it on your skin and then show you how it's looking? Yeah, if you see a picture of it, then you'll understand better. Did you bring something to change into so I can work on you? Okay, just go in there and change into one of the items. No big deal. Oh, perfect.
Will it work?
Yeah.
Thank God, उसको सही बनाया तुमने आज. फिर कैसा सही होता है? मतलब तुम गलत कर रही, सही कर रही हो, मैं गलत कर रहा हूँ. पता नहीं क्या है, अगर इसको 100 में हम काउंट करेंगे ना, this is 80. हाँ. ठीक है? गलती से हो गया नहीं?
हाँ, सही में.
आज गलती से.
वो शोभित से क्या बात हुई फिर?
Like this?
No, just like completely.
शॉपिंग के डैड है.
पूरा नीचे.
Like head down, like that, yeah.
Like that.
And So when I do mandalas, there are a lot more mental activity because you have to be very mindful while you're doing it. With text and with anything with just lines and straight lines where you just have to follow the, the stencils.
Yeah.
That's I feel more fun to do.
Okay.
And then stuff like mandalas is more fun to sort of
Create like in the
like
beginning,
the end
but
product. Just looking at that
okay.
is really nice. But I really enjoy doing flowers as well because
वैसे बहुत इसके बाद तो वो माइनस कुछ कर लेता है तो सामान रख देता है उसके बाद बैठ जाता है
Done.
अरे एनबी का बना दिया हमने फ्लेम अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत सही लग रहा है
वो उसने हाथ में बनवाया ना कुछ
हाँ
दर्द नहीं हुई थी और
उसका डिवोर्स होगा
सच्ची में
तब दर्द होगा नहीं इसकी वाइफ को बहुत चल रहा है तो अरे वंदना सब
From now, you're going to take the cling wrap off and you're going to wash your tattoo with soap, okay? Now the soap that you're going to take to wash it, just make sure it's not one of those antiseptic, antibacterial soaps. So any regular soap would do, any regular mild soap would do. So something like Dove or Nivea or one of those white creamy soaps.
Or like body wash will do?
Body wash is fine, just check that it has no alcohol in it, okay? Because your skin's very sensitive right now, you don't want to put alcohol on, something like that. Like my hands, you don't want to put that on your tattoo right now. Right, that's all you do today. Tomorrow, once in the morning, once at night, you do the same. You wash your tattoo with soap. Day after onwards, not very rare, what you can do is get one of those basic blue Niveas from the chemist or anywhere. So there are
have those, yeah.
not the cold cream, you have to take the body lotion, which is water based.
Okay.
The water based one, okay? So you can't put anything too gooey on your tattoo when it's healing. It has to be something light, right? Because in order for your tattoo to heal, it's important that your skin can breathe. So if you put anything too gooey on it, your skin can't breathe, right? So the blue Nivea, but the water-based body lotion, not the cold cream. You're going to start putting that on your tattoo day after onwards. Now with that, the rule is you can put it as often as you want to. 3 times a day, 2 times a day, depending on how dry your skin gets, how flaky the tattoo gets. But at once, you're not going to put on too much.
Okay.
Okay, a very thin layer. Right.
Show us how you'll do it.
Just dab it on your tattoo. You might have to ask someone to do this for you. So just anyone in your house, you can explain it कि बिल्कुल पतला layer लगाना है, okay? Right. Except for that, the one main rule that you have to take care of is that the scabbing has to fall off on its own. You can't scratch it, you can't peel it, you can't try to take it out, okay? That's important. So if the scabbing falls off prematurely, your line might fade or disappear from that spot, right? So with this tattoo particularly, you have to make sure that when you wash your hair, you wash it on the side. If you're taking a shower, you make sure that there's no direct pressure on the tattoo. Okay. So anything to, when you'll put your clothes on, when you'll take your clothes off, you be a little conscious that you don't rub anything harshly against your tattoo. Make sure you don't wear anything too tight on it when it's healing. Make sure it can breathe, right? The fabric that you're going to wear, just make sure you're wearing cotton, you're not wearing anything synthetic. And so that you don't irritate your skin basically. It's like a very regular wound for your body and your immune system. So just take care of a few things like that, right? Now water is not a problem. When you take a bath day after onwards, if soap water goes over your tattoo, it's fine, but you're not going to put soap on it.
Directly.
Right? Okay, so now say if you're working out, you're sweating, or you happen to be in the rain or any such thing, it's not a problem. Just grab a tissue and clean it. So if sweat comes on your tattoo, it's not a problem, but it can't stay on it for very long. So water cannot saturate your tattoo for very long because that's not good for a healing tattoo. Right? So you can't go in swimming pools or bathtubs or saunas or anything where, So any moisture on a surface for too long becomes a breeding ground for bacteria and you don't want to get an infection, so be careful of all of that, right? Cool, except for that, you want to ask me something? I have
How long do I have to take these precautions?
It takes about 7 to 10 days to heal. It's different for everyone. Yours might take 11, 12 days. You'll know, when it becomes like this, it's healed. There'll be a lot of scabbing, it'll be there, it'll be obvious, so you'll know if it's healed or it's healing. So just till then. Okay. Anything else you want to ask me? I have the whole aftercare in a text, which I'll forward to you. There's a couple of more things in that, so you can read that later on. Okay.
Perfect, that's fine.
Cool. Chal gaya Varun tera wo? Do you like your tattoo?
Oh yeah, I really do like it, and I think it looks really sexy.
It does.
From the pictures that I've seen.
Wear a lot of clothes that it shows now.
What do you
too
think?
bad winters coming up. But
Okay, we'll mix it up.
so we would just like to say thanks to Suhasini
For once
You're
again
welcome.
entertaining our wishes.
Please keep coming and shooting like this. I enjoy it when this
we
happens.
enjoy it too.
Yeah, we had fun and it wasn't as painful because she went really slowly and really,
I did.
calmly,
It
so
was
it
the
wasn't as
special
painful.
first
Yeah.
tattoo treatment.
So if you
So
need any
now-
first tattoo treatments, you know where to come.
First, you will be best. Thank you.
Bye guys, we'll see you next time.
Bye.